Hi, and welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to be making a laminated sticker. You can kind of see it's shiny there to help with color fastness and also water resistance. We'll be using a printer and also a machine that does print and cut. So I know that there's a Joy workaround, but yeah, if you guys are interested, just let me know in the comments and I'll do a tutorial for that. We'll be using printable vinyl by Cricut. And for the lamination, we're going to be using single-sided self-seal laminating sheets by Scotch. Let's get started, and I'll see you at the end. All right, so here's my SVG that I've imported. I'm going to resize it to 3 inches because I want my sticker to be 3 inches. So now I'm zooming in so you guys can see it a little bit better. And in order to make it a sticker, I need to put it on a circle shape. So on the left-hand side, I'm going into shapes and adding a circle. I'm going to resize the circle to be 3 inches because that's actually what the sticker is going to cut out as. And we'll be resizing this text so that it fits. And you can kind of see right now it's a little bit too big. So we're just going to resize it. On the right-hand side are the layers. I'm just going to click and drag so that my text is on top. And now I can select both, go to Align and Center. So that looks all right. Now I want it to print a different color. So I'm going to select my text layer and change colors. And I want it to be a nice pink. This is an ugly pink and I don't like it. And in fact, I don't really like any of the colors on this part of the spectrum. So I'm just going to move it over and find a better color. And there we go. So it's going to print out that color when we do the printing. Now, because I want the circle to be just the regular white sticker paper, I'm going to select that layer and also change that color to be white. All right. So now we need to flatten it in order for it to just cut out the circle shape. Otherwise, it's going to cut out the text as well. And we don't want it to cut out the letters individually. So we're going to select everything and flatten. And you can kind of see like how it flattens it. And now on the right side, you see that it says print, then cut. So that's great. That's exactly what we want. So now we're going to do make it. On the make it screen, this shows what it's going to look like when you've printed it out. So the first thing we need to do is actually, print it. So we're going to send it to the printer. And we're going to turn off the bleed because we just want it to cut the white circle. We're not cutting around the letters. If we put the bleed on, then the letters would look super sloppy. So we're just turning off the bleed and sending to the printer. All right, so now after it's been printed, this looks a little bit reddish, but whatever. It looks pink in real life. Sorry. Now we want to laminate this with our laminating sheet. We don't want to laminate on top of those black lines. So you can see here that I'm measuring because I'm going to cut the lamination sheet to fit inside of the black lines. And there it is. The sensor for your machine will probably not sense the black lines if it's too reflective. So the trick is to cut it and put it inside of the black lines. And once you have it all laminated up, it's ready to cut. So we're going to send it to the cutting machine. So here we go. I totally forgot to show you all the settings. So there they are right there. I just did premium vinyl and I checked it out. And you can see before I unloaded it, I just checked to see if it cut through. It didn't cut through the first time. So I'm just going to do a second pass. So without unloading the mat, I'm just going to go over and push the C button again. So we're just doing 2 passes. And in my experience, 2 passes has worked just fine. It's just a circle, so it's not really a big deal to run it twice. And here you can see it's giving you the lift of the sticker. So that's perfect. We're going to unload. And again, just like anything else, you flip the mat upside down before you peel. And you can save the vinyl. I like to save my vinyl, so I'm just cutting around and saving that for later. And then we're just going to peel off the extra vinyl so that we keep our sticker on the backing. And there it is, all nice and shiny and ready to be given to whoever you want. And that's it. So hopefully this tutorial was helpful. It's a really simple way to make stickers. If you'd like to see a different tutorial for stickers, one that maybe uses offset or the joy workaround, let me know in the comments below. Also, I kind of don't really know what to put stickers on besides like water bottles. So if you have something that you really like to put your stickers on, I'd love to hear what that is in the comments down below. And yeah, I also wanted to thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. This channel has grown so much in just like the past 2 months. So I wanted to take some time out and tell you guys thank you. I really appreciate you. And I hope that this channel is helping you try new things or learn new things or learn the same things but in a different way. So thanks again, and I'll see you guys next time.